are a producer that prefers to use a side menu in your DairyComp program to access your cow cards, lists, or perhaps entry of events or vet results, it can be frustrating when suddenly you notice this menu has disappeared and you don't know how to get it back. No need to worry, this may simply have occurred from an accidental click of a button. The toolbar located just above the command line has a toggle Outlook bar icon that switches the side menu on and off. So, if you would like the menu to appear again, simply click the icon once and your problem's solved. Alternatively, if you do not use the side menu and would like more screen space in DairyComp, click the icon again to hide the menu. For any other help in your DairyComp program, please call our DairyComp support line today.